watch list going into Thursday, August 8th. Some notable action here in these oil and gas names here after hours. Kind of doing a small little consolidation breakout here. There is, however, some overhead resistance, so I am not really looking to play this right now. But big picture wise, I'd be looking left towards these more recent highs earlier in the year. And so I'm not really looking for an early entry down here, but somewhere a bit higher. If they consolidate and break out down the road, I'll keep those on watch. But you got Husa, TPET, and Indo all kind of moving together. They've moved together in the past. Sava, trade from today, was looking for that quiet unwinder for the opening range highs to be set off the open. And I'd say that's pretty much what we got. We got 2 minutes of push and rejected off of red to green. And then just lower highs fall through momentum sub 2940s. And I was scaling in there. This was towards a bigger picture risk looking left over here in like the 32 range. And then my scales right here moved risk down to high a day. And once it started looking weak, I was looking for this pop to continue lower. I scaled up, and we had some bidder step in, and the ask started to thin up. So I took off 80% of my position here. Rescaled, looking for this 28s to break down, and we got that dip rip candle, and then a reclaim of VWAP, so I moved on with the rest of my position there. I continued lower briefly, right here into midday, and kind of chopped around sideways. But I do like this sort of range that it's set here off of 26. If you look left, I'll be looking at this 26 level for a similar setup to serve that we had off of this 15 level right here. If we can get a couple days here to consolidate over it, and then a low a day crack and like that little bouncy ball setup for a day trade there, would be something I would kind of look for on something like Sava. So I'll keep that 26 level in mind. PW from the watch list yesterday through that 190s break. We got this little ABCD setup, exactly the same as Lumen that I went over. Let me see, right over here. This should look familiar. There's the breakout 420, consolidation ABCD, PW. If you zoom out and look right here, you've got this 190 breakout level, consolidation ABCD. Exact same setup, and breakout here, and you get a 60 cent, 70 cent share move on a bit lower volume. So usually a bit more eager to take profits on stuff like that, and this big slam, complete retrace of the move. Did not expect this to come back, but the fact that it did, it does have a newsletter on it, a pump group that's been moving these names. So I think was that other one, ISPO, I think. Same group as this one. So I'll be looking for a trend break down the line, but not looking to long this at this point, just looking for some sped up price action. And then Lumen, big multi-day move here from 250s up to 8. My plan last night was for a shove into this 850s box, and it topped right at 780s, just a bit lower than I would have wanted, and failed fairly fast. So these 740s I wasn't super interested in, as I wanted like 850. And it just went sideways all day, so wouldn't have amounted to much anyways. So if this thing can go red and hold below, let's see here, 6 and 640s will be key levels for me. 6 and 640 line. So if this thing goes red tomorrow and holds below those levels, I'd look to fade it back towards 485s, somewhere around this volume profile level. But if it doesn't fail below those levels, then I'd be looking for higher the better, and like a 10 to 12 move, and then look to join that backside, but nothing I'd want to fight. So we'll keep it short and sweet there. I think we'll keep it there, and that's about it. I'll see you guys in the room.